then it will stop directly above me. So these are just that is play kind of a sputtering engine sound effect. Kind of like you just fell off a cliff. Like about 15 feet of free fall and about 25 feet of post exit. So this one's okay. Really loud in one too. So that motor noise that you heard is the elevator back up. With those different things that you get happen up there in the drop track, the forest spirit is the person that's basically like, it's kind of a witch in the woods. She does not want you to be here. This is her domain. She gets that kind of angry at you. She kind of mouths off you. Things in German. The last thing that she says, so that drop is supposed to be her pulling you off of the cliff with her vines. It's not this whole thing is supposed to be a big flip. That's what this is. That train is still in the process of getting its certification back, so they have to get 40 hours of testing on that train before they can actually like, get it back on it again. So these are basically just big magnets that turn on us. I know, I do. I remember there being a broken bridge leading over a giant chasm. Because that launch always has priority over this one. If this launch rolls back, it rolls back in your rear. So as we get up here,